Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Oh, so that's what happened.
Do you believe me now?
Yes.
Here, buddy. I like you already. My name's Mator.
Next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh!
I have to get out of here! Oh! I did it!
Soldier, come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have too much.
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get it in.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite! Actually, this is my good side here.
Thank you for your support and your big mistake.
Get another run for it?
No. He ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night and asked me if he could come down. What's going on, ladies? All right now, let's have us a little look-see.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica.
I'm happier in a tornado in a trailer park.
Huh? Ah! You guys are the best!
Oh, hey, McQueen. That must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it. Because I...
Hey, Mator, I was thinking, what if I go with you? Really? You do that?
Really need is a sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, that's in the...
Rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
Laugh it up. Real fun.
En route!
Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Right behind me, Aquí recto. Ya oí suficiente y fuera.
Does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing there?
Hello, Mater. It's so good.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
Just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me so.
Of my life when I started Miss Fritter's racing school, and I.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will.
Worry, sweet pea. My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
Maybe someone else would like a turn.
I shall pull the express. I am the express.
Big gold flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Honey.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank? Well, I thought I'd refuel in Hawaii, but
Hawaii is 375 miles.
dead. He emerged 36 days later, running enough fuel he distilled himself from the natural.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sure you've been in rehab! Did you have a nervous breakdown, McQueen?
I'm sorry, what?
McQueen wearing white wall!
About to begin. All spectators, clear the starting line.
I love clouds. The sun is shining.
Living life in the fast